What's going on? Today we are going to be reviewing the new Meta Ray-Bans. These things are pretty awesome. So before you watch the video, I can just tell you real quick, save you some time. They are awesome. You should definitely get them. But we're going to go over a bunch of different things today. We're going to go over the features. We're going to go over use cases, what you can do with these, all types of things. So I kind of want to go right into this, and I've had these for a few days now. And if you see my other videos, you see I actually already hacked them. So I do have another video where you can watch how I hack these to be able to post on social media, creating posts, everything like that, using ChatGPT. Even though this is a Facebook product, a Meta product, so they do not use ChatGPT, there is workarounds that you can use to go ahead and do so. So I would like to talk about the functionality of these, because apart from being sunglasses, you can get prescription lenses. These are actually the transition lenses. So inside they go clear, outside in the sun, they go darker. So the reason I got the transition is because I like to use these when I'm on the computer. I like to use these, working in the office. I didn't want to sit inside and have, dark lenses all the time. So something to think about. That is definitely a game changer to be able to use these inside as well. So they have all different types of functions, anything from taking pictures, recording videos. You can ask it to search Bing. So I'll kind of show you some of these features, and then we'll kind of go into some cooler features that people don't really talk about. I've searched on YouTube before I bought these glasses, I wanted to be able to review the vision aspect of it. And the vision aspect is going ahead and telling it to take a picture and analyzing what's in that picture. So you guys see on TV or the ads with the Meta glasses that they can say, "Hey, Meta, what kind of flower is this?" Right? It's dinging when I'm talking to it. So when they'll tell them what kind of flower it is. So, but you can really go into it further than that. You can really dig down into it. For example, the other day I was opening up the Bible, and I was going and opening up a random page, and I would tell it, "Go ahead and read the entire page, analyze the text, and then give me a summary of everything you read on that page." So it can read text, it can do all types of things. We're just going to talk about a few topics. Number one being how it can take pictures. You can either tell it to say, "Hey, Meta, take a picture." Let me turn these up. "Hey, Meta, max volume." Okay. You can say, "Hey, Meta, start recording." And you can see here that we do have a recording indicator light on these glasses. Straight down the middle. I might be down the hill. These are the ones, they have a few different sizes. These ones are the ones that are, the bigger ones. I put on the smaller ones, even though I could have probably got away with it. They were starting to kind of hurt my ears. And that was just from wearing them in the store. So I don't have that big of a head. So, kind of up to you on the comfort. But these are just fine. They don't fall off my head. I'm recording a video while I'm talking, and you can either tell it to stop recording, or you can click a button. There's all different types of use cases. So what we're going to do, I'm really going to show you some vision capabilities. These are built-in features that are on these glasses. So I can say, "Hey, Meta, what do you see in front of you? Take a look and see."
This appears to be a computer screen with multiple windows open.
See, it gives you kind of a basic understanding when you don't really keep asking into it, if that makes sense. So what I'm going to do, I have a video here pop up. We're just going to run a few tests on this. So let me see if I can switch my screen on over. Okay, so you can see my screen now. I am literally going to click a random video, and then we're just going to pause it so you don't have to hear it. But what we're going to do is I'm just going to ask it to read the title. Okay, so "Hey, Meta, take a look and see what the title is of this YouTube video I'm watching."
The title of the YouTube video you're watching is "Can I Break 50 with President Donald Trump? Related challenge for charity." The video features Bryson DeChambeau and former President Donald Trump attempting to break 50 from the red tees.
So there you go. It didn't even see the video, and it already analyzes pretty much what the video is about. So These glasses are very, very smart. They have a few different features. We'll just kind of get right into it right here. Let me move my screen over again, and then I will turn off the sharing. So that they have a few different features. So whenever you have them on your head on the right side, right over here, you can either turn up the volume by going like this and sliding your finger forward, or turn down the volume by sliding it back. Very, very simple. You can either click them to turn on and off music, or you can just tell it to turn music on. So you can say, "Hey Meta, resume music." "Hey Meta, pause music." There you go. So these are pretty freaking cool. So really the coolest thing about these, and I don't expect a lot of people to do this, but you can actually go ahead and hack them out. And what I mean hacking is being able to use different features that are not available on the actual functions of these glasses. A lot of people don't know this yet, but I've made another video about this and I talked about this before, but just being able to, record, just tell it to record or tell it to take a picture, not have them pull your phone out. Someone's calling you, the basic features that you would kind of see in Bluetooth are on this, where you don't really have to pull your phone out anymore. You can share stuff directly. Say I took a picture, I can go ahead and say, I'll do this for my fiance. So say, "Hey Meta, take a picture. Hey Meta, take that picture and send it to Phoenix."
On Messenger, send photo to Phoenix.
Yes.
Sending photo.
See, it's just pretty cool to be able to do a bunch of different things like this. They are very, very comfortable, believe it or not. So for a pair of smart glasses, let's see if you can see this. I don't have the best lighting in here. For a pair of smart glasses, they are definitely well put together. They are very well put together. I will definitely see that. And every time you put them on your head, it's kind of a good feeling because mentally as well, because it goes ahead and makes a little sound when you put them on your head every time. So comfort, everything like that, definitely thumbs up. The camera and the audio quality are amazing. What I've been doing lately is I've been listening to music while I'm walking around, and people don't even know I'm listening to music. I can still have a conversation because I'm turning it down low. The speakers are right in the back. Can't really see it on the camera, but they are in the back. But they are definitely a good view. Sorry, you can't do landscape videos. All you can do is the portrait up and down, but I'm not sure if they have any features coming soon for the updates. Now we can talk about a few things like the battery life and talk about what it is to charge them. I don't have my charger on me right now, but they come with a really cool case, the Meta case, and I probably should be showing this, but I'm not. You can actually charge the case and it works as like a power bank out and about. So when your glasses start dying when you're out and about, you can just put them back in your case and the case will charge them directly up. You don't have to be hooked up to a cord. So today, and I'll show you guys some shots of what I did in the videos I took with these glasses. Usually I go out golfing a lot, so I've been taking a lot of golfing videos as well. And the video quality is really good, but the battery life today I did 18 holes, was pretty slow moving on the golf course. By the time I got to maybe the 13th, 14th hole, the glasses were saying they had 15%. Now all I did was I took them off, I put them back in the case in the golf cart, and within 20-30 minutes, I would say 30 minutes, these glasses were charged up to 90% again. I would say they're not going to run all day if you're doing all crazy stuff, taking videos, talking to people, listening to music, but being able to charge them on the go after you've charged the Ray-Ban case is definitely top notch. So I haven't had any issues with like connecting anything or Bluetooth issues. I know being able to walk away maybe a good 75 feet before they kind of start breaking up from my phone if I'm listening to music. But all in all, definitely a good experience with these glasses. I highly suggest people using them, even if you're just using them for the basic things instead of using a GoPro. But now it's really cool because you have all these smart features in these glasses as well. So I'm gonna do a few more smart features for you guys. These are all built-in features that come with the glasses. But like I said, you can hack these glasses out to be able to do a bunch of different things. So we're gonna say, "Hey Meta, what is the weather in Erie, Pennsylvania today?"
In Erie, Pennsylvania, it's currently clear and 76 degrees Fahrenheit.
Okay. So you can search all types of stuff. So sometimes what I do is I trade stocks sometimes. So what I'll do is I'll sit here and I'll say, hey, Meta, search Bing for recent news on Nvidia, anything about the stock market.
NVIDIA Corp. Stock price is currently $113.06 per share.
Hey, Meta, search Bing for recent articles from Bloomberg about Nvidia.
NVIDIA's stock entered correction territory on June 24th, erasing $430 billion in value, though it remains up 140% this year.
So as you can see, you can search all types of things. It's just a little easier than going ahead and pulling out your phone. So I'm going to keep this super short. If I was to tell you to buy them, I definitely would. If you don't mind having glasses on your face all day, or you wear glasses already, or you just go and buy Ray-Bans anyway, spend the extra money, get the smart glasses. You're really going to enjoy them. Stop going to the gym and putting your earbuds in or anything like that. They definitely work awesome. So thanks for watching, everyone. Have a good one.